Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set app notification alerts to silent on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now, setting it to silent does not disable the notifications. You still receive notifications from the apps. It's just that it won't raise the alert sound. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on apps. In the apps page, scroll down and tap on an app that you want to change. So here I'm going to say tap on Adobe Scan. Then tap on notifications. Next, go down and tap on silent in the alerts section. So now all the notifications coming from the Adobe Scan app will be silent. You still receive them and you still receive notifications in the status bar, but it will not raise the alert sound. And that's it. If later on you want to allow the app to have an alert sound, you can choose allow sound and vibration. And that's it. So choose silent and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.